and welcome students. Today our topic is materials and the subtopic is matter. From this chapter we will be able to know what is physical change and what is chemical change. Before we get started with physical and chemical change, let us find out what are the changes that take place all around us. Human beings are born as babies and with time they grow into adults. Flowers blossom. Day changes to night and night changes to day are examples of changes that take place all around us. Changes taking place around us can be of two types, physical change and chemical change. Let us find out what is physical change. The change in which no new substance is formed and the substance only undergoes a change in its shape, size, appearance or state is known as a physical change. In all these changes, internally, the substance remains the same before and after the change. Therefore, all these changes are temporary. By reversing the process, the original substances can be obtained. Here are some examples of such changes. Melting of ice or freezing of water. Water can easily be frozen into ice. Internally, the molecules of water remain the same. Only its state changes when it becomes a solid from a liquid. Cutting a paper or tearing a paper changes its shape and size, but the molecules of paper remain the same. Boiling of water is another example of a physical change. Now let us find out what is a chemical change. The changes in which new substances are formed possessing the properties that are different from the original substances are called chemical changes. In all these changes, new types of molecules are formed from the combination of the molecules of the original substances. Mostly, chemical changes are irreversible changes, as the new substances formed have different properties than the original substances. Here are some examples of such changes. Burning of paper. Burning of paper is a chemical change because a new substance is formed and the new substance is ashes. Milk turning into curd. Curd is a new substance. Germination of a seed. It's also a chemical change. So students, we have learned in physical change, no new substance is formed. It is a temporary change. It can be reversed. Some other examples are precipitation, condensation, etc. Chemical change. One or more entirely new substance is formed. The change is permanent. Mostly chemical changes are irreversible. Some other examples are cooking food, rusting of iron, etc. That's all for today. Thank you.